How to add video and pictures in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can add images and videos in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step, open up your Canva. After you open up your Canva, you can then head over to any project that you want. So I'll just head over to a random project here. And after you're on the project, if you want to add an image or video, all you have to do is on the left hand side, you'll find the upload option. Here, head over to uploads. And from here, you can upload your videos and images. So tap on upload files. After you do that, you can then select what you want to add. Then tap on open. Then those videos and photos will get added right here. So after it gets added, you can simply search for images and videos from right here and add them by clicking on it. So after you click on an image, it will get added like this. And after you've added an image, you can then add a video in the same manner. So select the videos option from here, then select the video that you want to add. And the video will play as well. And it's that simple, guys, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.